Well, if you think your health insurance is already too expensive, brace yourself. Next year, thousands of people in Connecticut will be paying even more. The state's insurance department has approved a double-digit health insurance rate hike. Your reporter Dylan Fearon is live in Hartford now to explain who this will impact the most. Dylan?
Well, Kara, more than 200,000 people in Connecticut will be impacted by this starting next year. It's an average increase of about 17%, and we know the small businesses will be feeling it. Jason Sears owns Dry Air Industries, a manufacturer in East Windsor serving the plastics industry. Jason has nearly 30 employees. Now hearing his health insurance costs are rising about 15%, and he's not thrilled. He wants to look out for his workers, but it impacts his bottom line, which will cause an unfortunate domino effect.
Our numbers aren't big. We're not carrying those big numbers, profits that other manufacturers in the state do. So, if you start whittling away 15% here and there, it affects what we pay people. It affects, our year-end benefits to our people.
The Connecticut Insurance Department approved a massive rate hike on plans next year, offered by several major insurers, including Anthem and Connecticut, impacting more than 220,000 residents, most of them on individual health plans. There will be an average rate hike of nearly 17% on those plans, with an 11% average increase on small group policies, which is typically for businesses with fewer than 50 employees. Rising costs for small business owners, their workers, and others around Connecticut who work for themselves and are on individual plans.
When you start taking away from us, it makes a difference to the people that we employ and their families. The better that they do, the better the economy does.
Now, Kara, we have heard from the Connecticut Insurance Department on why this increase is happening next year, along with reaction from local lawmakers. We'll have all of that coming up at 6 o'clock tonight. I'm your reporter live in Hartford, Dylan Fearon, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Dylan, thanks.